Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today we'll be making the Adopt a Pet kit. This kit is for all the animal lovers, and it's great for crafting with kids. With this kit, you can create the most adorable paper-crafted pets: a cat, a bird, a dog, and a guinea pig, each with their own habitat and toys. It also comes with a certificate of adoption in English, French, and German that you can complete for each pet. So fun! As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or go back to any part of the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. This is such a fun kit for all ages. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!